everybody? Welcome to Degen Alpha. I am your host, Taco. I hope you're having a wonderful, wonderful Friday morning, evening, or afternoon. The crypto markets are pumping. Bitcoin is closing in at a... Wait, I gotta get rid of that. Not that show. I'm on Degen Alpha now. I was on Mario in a Fall earlier today playing, what was it called? Rage Effect? I think that was the name of the game. Yeah, Rage Effect. It was a first-person shooter backed by Solana Ventures. I think that's a long way to go, but the gameplay was pretty fun. Let's get right into it with our main X account here, Degen Alpha Show, live on X and on YouTube. This is your guide to confident blockchain navigation and the wildest degenerate crypto picks, hosted by me, Crypto_Taco01. So give me a follow. And again, I am the host of the Roundtable Space account Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I'm the Web3 gaming host. And yeah, I was playing Rage Effect. It was pretty fun. Let's get into the markets. Let's see what is pumping, what is barely dumping, because not much is going down today. Let's refresh. And let's say hi to the chat. The Don Dada, Nick Dune 333, Nicole Ministator, Oculus L, Tommy Martin, Woke, Nakudo the Gamer. What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Hope you guys are having a great day. Smash that like button. All right, so Bitcoin. It keeps on getting rejected at about 99,500. We are at 99,012, $30, up about 1% today, down 0.35% over the last hour. Ethereum, I mean, it didn't get the memo that like crypto's pumping, and I guess, I don't know if this is true or not, but I read on X, somebody that got into the ICO for Ethereum, so they bought it like around $6. They had about $1 billion worth, and they sold at $3,400 Ethereum. So I guess you could say that one whale is who dumped the price, 1.84%. Woke. I guess I'm not Degen enough to know what that is. Woke. All right, let's check out the top gainers. Stellar is having an insane week, up about 150%. Chris Pfaff, what is up, man? Happy Friday. And today it is up 41, almost 42%, and it's still rising on the hourly. It is up 3%. This dude keeps on calling me. Let's see. I actually have to check something. I might be getting a channel sponsor. 1 second. Yep, we got it. Yeah, we got a channel sponsor of a meme coin, so I'll be going over that probably on Tuesday. On Monday, I'm actually going golfing with Kelly Kellum from the BitLab Academy. I am super excited about that. I haven't been golfing in about, 2-3 months, so I might be a little rusty, but it's going to be a really fun day. All right, so XRP is also having an amazing week, up 67% and 24% today, and about 1% on the hourly. What's your prediction on NEAR for this cycle? Yeah, I'll go into that right after this. Cardano is closing in on $1. Can we get a $1 Solana today? Or Solana? $1 Cardano. Can we got a $1 Cardano today? I think we can. Let's check out the price on the chart. Yeah, Bitcoin is, it looks like it wants to keep pushing up. Real quick on Bitcoin, a 6 bull versus a 3 bear. This is on the 4-hour time frame. 2 hours and 35 minutes to go. But as far as this candle goes, the bulls are slightly in control. A 6 versus a 3. So they're kind of near each other. Usually you want to see one above 10 and the other one in negative. They can go as high as 28 and as low as -5. So, if you go back in history, you could see this was an 11 versus a -4. This was a 9 versus a 1, an 11 versus a -4, a 16 versus a -5. So once you get those on the dual band strength index, then you check out Market Cipher B down here and see, hey, maybe like it's the beginning of a move, or maybe the move is kind of already done. Again, this is Bitcoin, so we could see the momentum wave clip right here, form a green dot, and this thing go on another hump to the upside. All right, so let's look at ADA. And then we'll look at NEAR. Cardano, there we go. So let's zoom out to the daily. So I did do Fibonacci. So actually, let's go to the weekly. So we can stretch. God, I got the line tool on. Let's stretch this fib out a little more so we get more information. All right, so we have peaked into the golden pocket. So let's zoom in now. So we are currently hovering right above this golden pocket. What I want to see is for us to pump up to the top of the golden pocket and then maybe range in this area for a while between like $1.32 and about 89 cents, or about 89.90 cents, and form a solid support zone right above that golden pocket here at 89 cents. Let's look at the past to see if it has any. I did draw this line at 76 cents that flipped from support into resistance. So I think now it is definitely a support band. This is at 77 cents. So let's hope that we can get up to the dollar at least, and then push us up to that $1.32. And I mean, hey, let's push past it to like $1.32 to $1.65. And then we got all the way up to $2, and this is at the 0.618. Bit Nomad. Let's check out Bit Nomad right after we check out Near. So let's check out Near real quick. Near protocol. Let's look at the Binance chart. It looks like I have charted this in the past. So we are on the daily. So we got up to a all-time. Actually, I charted this from last cycle. So let's change this fib level. So now we're on the current, the last cycle to the current cycle. So the last cycle high was $20.57, and all the way at the bottom here we got to 80 cents. So right now we're at 574. So I mean, from the bottom to the top here, that was more than a 7x, a 7.72x. And this is kind of what I want to happen for Cardano. See the golden pocket? It flipped to the top of the golden pocket, it reversed, and we kind of floated around in this range for a while. In this range, it was 91 days, about 3 months. So let's hope that Cardano can push past the golden pocket, get us maybe into the golden pocket to form a support zone, and then finally break out of it. Right now, we are currently testing the top or the bottom of the golden pocket, and this is at the 0.236 Fibonacci level. What I could see happen in the bull market top for Near, let's see if we get back up to all-time high. So an all-time high is only like a 2.5x away. We can expect it to get maybe up to the 3.618. And that would be at $72. So that would be a price gain of, let's see, 1,000% gain. I think it could be in the cards. Let's go to, Coin Perspective. All right. Just reading the chat a little bit. Bit Nomad. He really wants me to check out Bit Nomad. I will. Just got to do due diligence on some of these coins that are being asked right before that. So we were looking at Near. Still getting a call. Hold on one second. All right, we're good. So Near, again, at $5.74. If Near reaches the price of Bitcoin, it'll be 2 trillion market cap. Or if the market cap of Bitcoin, it would be a $1,600 Bitcoin. I don't think that's even possible. But let's do the price target of maybe like a Solana. So this would bring us to a $99 Near, and Solana is currently sitting at, let's see. Solana is currently sitting at $254, $120 billion market cap. I don't think Near can get up to 120 billion. So let's go back to the Coin Perspective. Let's say show more controls. Let's get this to 50. So if it was at a $50 billion market cap, you're looking at a $41 Near. And let's see how that lines up with the chart. Where's my chart? There it is. $41 Near was bring us to between the 1.618 and between the 2.618. So right around here. I think that's definitely in the cards for Near. First, obviously, it has to get back up to all-time high. So that'll be the first test, and then we're in price discovery mode. So we'll see. But yeah, I'm bullish on Near. I think it's a good project, a good protocol. All right, now let's check out BitNomad. So let's go to Dex Screener. Whoops, didn't mean to click on that. BitNomad. BitNomad. All right, so it's at a 1.9 million market cap. The volume versus market cap is pretty good, 181K, 173K of liquidity, and it is 100% locked. So that is good to know. Let's go. Actually, let's look at their chart. How old is this coin? So this is only 8 days old. It's not that old of a coin. It had a good start. Had a great start. I mean, a little rocky on the first day, but let's go to like the 4 hour. Let's zoom out a little bit. Yeah, so it had a pump on the first day. Let's see what this pump was. About a 2x on the first day. It went sideways, and then it went up a 6x in less than 2 days. I like Near. I've never done anything on it, though. Yeah, that's the thing with a blockchain like Near. There's not much to do on it. There's not much excitement. It's nothing is saying like, ooh, I really need to download a Near wallet. I need to get some Near in my wallet so I can interact with the Near blockchain. There is not much of that for Near. But over here on BitNomad. So let's see what their Twitter looks like. The Nomad moves in silence while drawing strength from the unknown. Be a part of this adventure and embrace the unexpected. All right, they have 6,300 followers, not followed by anyone I follow. Engagement is, I guess, decent. Not crazy engagement, but it's pretty good. So what is like the play here? What is BitNomad? Join the BitNomad on his epic journey through the blockchain wilderness and uncover hidden treasures. Earn rewards, stake your tokens, and explore the unknown with BitNomad. All right, tokenomics, network. It's on Solana. There's 1 billion tokens. So the public sale, there was a 40% allocated to a public sale, 20% for liquidity. Development funds 10%, marketing 10%, strategic partners 5%, team allocation. All right, so I like this. The team allocation is locked for 12 months. So if you're a part of the team and you get these tokens, you're not able to dump them. So that's good. So the team cannot dump on you. Reward reserve 5% and burn mechanism is 5%. So they must have a mechanism built in to burn this token. BitNomad Journey rewards. Participate in weekly crypto treasure hunts, solve puzzles, and earn BNome tokens. The journey awaits. Nomad staking. Lock your tokens to earn steady rewards, higher staking tiers, bigger rewards with the Nomad's path. So I want to check that out. Can we click? You can't click on it. Lucky Nomad rewards. Randomly selected transactions receive bonus BNomad tokens because every Nomad finds hidden treasures. All right. So how do I find the staking features? Okay. So unique features where I can't stake it. Already burned. Okay. So this burn net mechanism. So the tokens were already burned. I'm being told they already burned 400 million. Okay. FLS is being chilled in here too. FLS. I'll check out FLS. Roadmap. Let's see. So launch social media and community engagement, BitNomad teaser campaigns, token creation, smart contract, public token sale, and DEX listings. Radium. Okay. And then next year, social media campaigns, CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko listings, more treasure hunts, and they're trying to get listed on Binance. All right. They're calling for 100 million market cap soon. I mean, maybe. Let's see. There's 1,500 holders. Let's check out the bubble map. Let's see if there's any whales or people that are trying to hide their token values. Ooh, okay. Well, that don't look too good. Yeah, this token is heavily manipulated. Look at that. 15.27% in the number one wallet, but then they own this BNomad token in all these other wallets which equates to almost 33% of the supply. So not great at all. Not great at all. I would not invest in this token unless this guy dumps all of his bag or he says like I'm not selling. But that's a little concerning there on the token holders. Let's go to SolScan though. Where's my SolScan? There it is. All right, so there's the contract address. Let's go to holders. And then let's go back to liquidity real quick. So the liquidity, 172K, not looking good. This guy owns 100 billion of the tokens, or that's 100 million of the tokens, which is currently $321,000. So he can essentially, all right, it's locked. This is locked, apparently. Not, I can't confirm or deny. This is just SolScan. But we'll have to keep an eye on this one. The second holder holds 4.78% of the supply, 93 grand. The pool holds 4.55% of the tokens, and that's at 88 grand. And the breakdown is, see, this is a little sketchy. 7, 8, 9, and 10 all hold 10 million tokens, which is 32 grand each. That's the team lock. So apparently I'm being told by my chat that this is all locked. This is all locked. So is this like the allocation for the team over the year? I would put that information on your website so people that are keen to looking at these bubble maps and soul scans will know that that is locked tokens, because I'm just going on the word of the chat right now. Let's see, what does community have? They have a Telegram, GitHub, email, locks, Dex tools. So not much. It's not really telling me much of what they're doing. Other than there's going to be like a social media campaign. So X posts on X, and maybe treasure hunts. So if you buy or sell this token, maybe they'll select you and you'll win some of their tokens. The Nomad. Again, here's their X page, 6,300 followers. Is this the same website, bitnomad.vip? Yep, same website. Yeah, they should put that in the information to let people know that the allocation of tokens, especially from like a bubble map here. Where is it? A bubble map is showing this big cluster owns 32%, almost 33% of the supply. This wallet owns 13.33. The third largest wallet, 6.66. The fourth is almost 5%. And this, again, is on bubble maps for the BitNomad token on Solana. And the ticker is BNOM. Nothing concerned about it. I mean, again, I'm just going off of what you guys are saying in the chat. But yeah, if I were the team or if one of the team members is watching, I would put that somewhere on the website and maybe more information about the staking. If there is staking, where do I do it? Is it not out yet? If it's not out yet, then I would put it in the roadmap. You guys are only out until Q1. Is that it? After Q1, your roadmap is done and you guys have completed everything that you want to complete with BitNomad? FLS. All right, so I'll check out FLS now because it's been shilled a bunch of times in the chat. But yeah, I mean, I'm not going to knock BitNomad until this information is more clear on the website. And if I want to buy this token and I see this unique feature, how do I stake? I need to know how to stake if I want to get in on the action. I've looked around. Let's see their Telegram. How many people are in their Telegram right now? 645 subscribers. Hey, look at that. They're showing off that I'm talking about this right now. Awesome. Is there any more information in your Telegram about staking? Major burn update, 25% of total supply burned. I like that. BitNomad official calling all beta testers for the BitNomad bridge. Okay, so you guys are building a bridge. The BitNomad developer team is looking for 10 experienced beta testers to help us test out our new Solana to Binance Smart Chain bridge before its official release. Hey guys, I know how to do this, so if you need another tester, let me know. I use bridges all the time. I like Orbiter because it has a bunch of blockchains you can choose from. And if they ever do come out with their rewards, their O points, you'll get an airdrop for using Orbiter. And then for the more simplistic type of bridges, I would use D-Bridge because you can also get an allocation for their Season 2. Season 2 of D-Bridge points is live. Earn points on all bridge transfers for a limited time. All right, so let's look at FLS. Actually, Uwu. How's Uwu doing? Oh, did I have the opportunity to sell? Dang it. Hold on real quick. Did I sell it? Let's see. Bonkbot. And let's refresh this real quick. I do have Uwu. Yeah, my Uwu is down. I only bought 0.1 though, so we'll keep an eye on that. All right, FLS. All right, so you guys need to help me out. FLS, is it this FLOOS? Is this flush win? 2.3 million market cap, 580K. It's Flos. Okay. All right, let's zoom that out. We are on the 4-hour time frame. 2,900 holders. This thing had an incredible run of almost 10,000%. So that's an insane run on this FLS token. And I guess it's this guy. Telegram bots are the worst. Use Photon. If you ever get banned from Telegram, you will lose all your money. Oh, good point, Captain Skyhawk. I appreciate that. Yeah, I'll start using Phantom. I've used Phantom in the past. I'm just on Telegram all the time, so that's why I just use it. Let's see. Yes, it's a locked wallet. Has been achieved. Bit Nomad. What will perform better this cycle going forward? Sui, Near, or Chainlink? I'm gonna have to go with Sui. Out of those three, I know we just went over Chainlink. We just went over Near. Near has the opportunity to get up to, I don't know, let's see, at least a 3x. I think it could get back up to $20. So that's definitely in the cards. But we were speculating maybe bull, like crazy bull case scenario. Near gets up to $72 for 1,000% gain. Photon, that's what I meant. Photon, the bot where you can like insta buy, insta sell meme coins. You got the nice dashboard. I know what you're talking about, Captain Skyhook. I just misspoke. My bad. All right, so Near we can expect maybe 1,000%. If it goes parabolic up to the 3.618 Fibonacci level, and that's at $71.80. Let's look at Link. And then we'll go back to this FLS token. All right, so Link, we actually put in a long the other day, and I think we made a little bit of profit, but we should have stayed in it because it's up 44%. All right, so let's zoom out. Let's see where Link is heading. So let's adjust this so the number is accurate, and then adjust this down to the bear market bottom of $5. Just under $5. And this actual setup looks very similar to Near. Near peaked up into the golden pocket, kind of fell back into the between the 0 and the 0.236 Fibonacci level, and now it looks to be pushing back into the golden pocket again. Again, this is on the daily. We just got a green dot on the daily. So you can expect this thing to go up maybe for the next few days, at least for the next 2 hours. That's when this daily candle closes. Maybe it gets up to the golden pocket. That's at 6.4. And let's zoom out now. Let's see. So all-time high for Near was about $53. If it gets back up to $53, we're looking at about 2.5x. If we get to the parabolic bull run craze, we can get up to, I'm going to say, at least $180. And this looks exactly like near. Why is my screen? All right, we're back. Yeah, this looks exactly like near. And then the last one was Sui. So let's look at Sui now. So let's go to an older chart, Binance chart. Yeah, Binance is just a tad older. So Sui is relatively new, so you can't really do a Fibonacci on Sui. But it has been performing well. From the bear market bottom of 38 cents, we're up about 8x from there. With BitNomad, the future of freedom and innovation is at your fingertips. Be nomad to the moon. With he's just showing the same thing over and over and over again. The BitNomad Telegram crew has joined the chat. Welcome to Degen Alpha. My name is Taco. Appreciate you guys joining us. Where's the BitNomad? Where'd it go? Where'd it go? BitNomad official. Yeah, this is the channel. All right. BitNomad was officially listed on CoinGecko. All right. Congratulations. Burn. So this is the burn. All remaining team tokens burn. The BitNomad team has taken another monumental step by burning all remaining tokens from the team wallet, ensuring maximum transparency and commitment to the community. So this is good that it's in their Telegram. You guys should tweet about this. You guys should tweet about this so the audience, the broader crypto audience knows more about BitNomad, because us Degens, we enter Discords, we enter Telegram groups, but I'd say the normal person, the normie coming into crypto is not going to jump right into Discords, is not going to go crazy jumping into all these Telegram channels, but it is great for information, but not for the normal person. And especially if this information isn't on your website. I see like burn mechanism, but maybe have like a way to show that like the team tokens have been burned. So there's a little things here and there that you can do. Maybe increase your roadmap. Again, if there is staking, make this button active, or at least let the audience know like staking is coming soon. Maybe show like a little like, what do you say? Like maybe show like a slideshow of rewards. Like last week we gave away this. Yesterday we gave away this. Just something to show like, yeah, these rewards are being given out. Staking is here or it's coming, and maybe showcase a lucky Nomad reward winner. You're telling me that you burned 400 million tokens, but where is that showing on your website? If I'm a potential buyer, I wanna know all of the information about this token if I want to buy it. If this isn't just like a run of the mill meme coin pump and dump, or the cabal takes it over and it goes to hundreds of millions of dollars. All right, so if the primary goal of BitNomad is to protect children, is children on this page at all? It is not. So how do I know that? I appreciate you guys letting me know about your token, but I think you guys should have the information here, so we're not guessing. We know what we're buying. We know that 400 million tokens were burned. That's stuff that I think should be just showcased on your website here. I like the little mysterious guy right here. That's cool. But maybe a staking page up here. Just a few things you guys can do to really increase your odds of success. All right, so Flos 2.3 million market cap, 308K in volume, 581K liquidity, and the liquidity is 99.85% burn, so that's good. Is this thing done though? It already had a insane rally, 800% after its initial pump. We came from Nomad. I understand that, guys. I understand you guys are coming from Nomad, so you guys know more than anybody about the project. Please use a key phrase. What the hell? I'm just getting a weird message on my YouTube studio. It's a different day, different issue, technical issue I'm having. But all right, so let's check out the bubble map for this guy. Yeah, because people coming in, coming out. Is my stream still going? I have no idea. Look at those humps. It's crazy, crazy. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen from Nomad. It's the Nomads trying to hack you. Yeah, that'll happen. All right, so let's look at the bubble map. Flos was being shilled, so I want to check it out. All right, so this is Flos, the sole wallet holders that hold Flos, but let's check out the actual token. It's actually looking a little better. So the top holder owns 5.55% of the supply. Some whales own over 2%. There's a 1.46. What is this one? This is a 1%. So let's now take it over to SolScan. All right, so 2,900 holders. Let's go over to the holder list. So MEXC is the whale. MEXC owns 22% of the supply, 531K. And the next largest address is the Radium liquidity pool. And that is sitting at 12.49%. And then the biggest whale is 2.61%. But the liquidity is there. So it's pretty good. Over 500,000 in liquidity. And heading back over to SolScan, you can see. Oh, this is not the right token. Did I go? Here we are. Flos. Here we go. Yeah, 660K. Taco, are the top two wallets hidden on bubble maps for this token? Yes. It's because one is MEXC and the other one is Radium. So obviously, if you buy this token from the Radium liquidity pool, it'll show the connection. That's why it's blurred out, or that's why it's hidden, because I mean, an exchange can only sell to its customers, and the Radium liquidity pool can only sell to Web3 users that go on to or have like Photon or swap in Jupiter or swap in Phantom using the Radium liquidity pool. So I don't think that whoops, let's go back. So that's why these are blurred out, because you don't need to see that MEXC owns 21% of the supply. I mean, that's good to know, but it's not good. It's no need for it to be here, because again, the MEXC, you have to have an exchange account with MEXC, and that's where you can buy and sell this token. Yeah, Gary the Lizard. All right, so let's go into some of the stories I have for you guys. So Jim Cramer, he is known as like the whatever he does, do the opposite. So this is kind of concerning.
Greg in Florida, Greg.
Booyah, Jim. How we doing?
I'm doing well. How about you, partner?
I'm doing very well. All right, so here's the deal. I've owned this stock for a long time, since 2023. I'm up over 1,000% right now.
Let me know how the volume is. The guy on the phone goes, I've owned this stock since 2023, I think he said.
I'm up over 1,000.
He's up over 1,000%.
Right now. I don't plan on selling it. In fact, after today's correction, I plan on buying more. But I love what the CEO does. He's the man, the myth, the legend, Michael Saylor. The stock is MicroStrategy. What do you?
We call MSTR. We used to call that Mr. MSTR. I've got to tell you, it's a Bitcoin play. I prefer to actually own Bitcoin. I know that Citron put some sort of short on it. All I can tell you is own Bitcoin. That's a winner.
Own Bitcoin. That's a winner. So like very kind of nonchalant, like sneaking it in. Yeah, reverse Kramer. That's it. It's a reverse Kramer signal. So what do we think, guys? Should we pack up our bags and go to the next industry? Is crypto done with? Is Bitcoin done with? I don't think so. But I mean, this is one of the first times I've heard him say that like Bitcoin is a winner. Own it. It's a winner. And then let's look at MicroStrategy. MSTR stock chart. All right. So, I mean, it's still going up. Over the last month, it's up 92%. Over 6 months, 156%. Yeah, I'm scared now. And then this is the gentleman. He's had it for over a year, 730% gain. And Citron. So, my Kramer was talking about Citron is a company that, or is it a VC firm? They're shorting MicroStrategy, and their shareholders are probably pissed because they are getting liquidated because this thing keeps on going up. 22% in 5 days, and just today up 6%. So is reverse Kramer finally over and done with? I don't know. We'll have to wait and see. What's Bitcoin currently at? 99,300. So it keeps on climbing back up. Let's hope for it to push past 100K this time while I'm streaming. That'd be nice. Back to Sui for a second. So, I mean, we are in price discovery mode. I don't know if you can count this wick on the very first candle as legitimate. It's just people jumping on the Sui bandwagon right from the start. They wanted to get it right away. And so people that bought it up at the top here at $4, they're actually still in the negative. So it's hard to say what Sui can get to, but we can kind of speculate what other coins have gotten to. So Sui is currently at let's just call it a 10 billion market cap. So Sui is at a 10 billion market cap. If it gets to a 100 billion, that's a $35 Sui. So let's go over here. Let's do some the coins perspective math. So Sui. So if Sui has a price of Sol, or no, let's do like Cardano. So that would be that'd barely be a big jump. I mean, it would be like a 2.5x, a 252% gain. Yeah, we already checked out FLS. FLS looks like. Actually, hold on. Let's refresh our memory. FLS. All right, so Mexi owns a bunch, which is fine. Radium is the liquidity pool, so that's fine. So we can hide those two. And then the rest of the holders, there are some whales. This cluster owns 5.5%. So is this the team? Or is this an individual who sent their Flos tokens to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different wallets to kind of hide it, but not from me because I use bubble maps. Let's see. Oh, that's Andrew Tate's dog token. Any of you guys catch Andrew Tate's live stream yesterday? He was on another one. Can you guys guess on the chart when he had his live stream? It was right there. Taka, when you get the chance, would you mind looking at Berry Strawberry AI? Do you think it's a legit project? All right, we'll check out that. But I actually made 100% profit on this because if you were live listening to what Andrew Tate was saying, he was just saying like, all right, I'm going to pump G 10 Solana, 10 Solana, 10 Solana, 10 Solana. So if you got your buy-in down here in less than like 10 minutes, you could have made a 1x, 2x. Potentially, if you held out for 30 minutes, you could have made a 3x. That's obviously if you bought it down here. But yeah, now look at the token. It's lower than when he started live streaming. So I've seen some threads on X highlighting his degen activity yesterday. He was literally going to like Photon and typing in like a keyword. I think it was Wilson. And then he was just, or Winston. It was Winston. He was just typing in a keyword, clicking a random one, and then just pumping it. So there was a guy on the phone with him who is more of a crypto expert. And he was like, bro, you just made a random dev in India rich. Because he was pumping pump.fun tokens that had not even reached the bonding curve yet. So it was just total chaos essentially on his stream yesterday. But if you were lucky, you could have caught a couple X's. All right, so let's check out Barry, and then we'll go into some of my stories. Barry, Strawberry AI. All right, 24 million market cap, almost 25 million, almost $1 million in liquidity. It's been around for 3 months. Okay. Volume is it's a little low for the market cap. Let's go out to the daily. All right, so this thing reclaimed all-time high after falling. What was this? 60%, 77, 76%, 75%. So after falling 75%, it recovered to 285%. Could it push past all-time high? Let's see. There's 4,800 holders. Strawberry AI, the search engine for crypto. So is this actual, is there an actual use case to this? The search is coming. Strawberry AI mainnet, December 5th, 2024. So potentially with this date closing in, you could buy the rumor, sell the news. So if like the rumor is like, hey, this thing is going to be this crazy AI search engine for crypto, maybe it's not financial advice, of course, but maybe it's a good idea to buy some and speculate on the price going up before this AI mainnet goes live. Yeah, so maybe after it goes live, the price dumps. That's the whole buy the rumor, sell the news kind of thing. Let's see what this is. So this was November 14th, about 8 days ago. The search engine is coming. Strawberry AI mainnet is going live on December 5th. So let's see. Can we zoom in on this? Not really. At Strawberry AI, we are building the search engine for crypto, transforming exploration with advanced LLMs. What are LLMs again? Large language model. All right, so it's a large language model for crypto. Our goal is to create a powerful search engine driven by a smart AI agents that guide users on what to buy, when to buy, and why. All right. Advanced AI building detector, correlation patterns, freshness of wallet buying, i.e. detecting fake holders. Ooh, okay. So it has the ability to check if holder count is fake or not. That might be useful on some of those meme coins that had like 50,000 holders after like a few days. The one way to do that is to airdrop that to wallets. For that to happen organically, it's very rare. So yeah, if this is able to detect fake holders, that might be pretty bullish. Yeah, I don't see any red flags so far. I like the fact that they have a counter and they're not just like, yeah, maybe we'll come out on the 5th. So there's 12 days left to go. AWS, Redis, OpenAI, Anthropic, LangChain, powered by top-notch agentic framework. Strawberry is an advanced AI designed specifically for blockchain users. Harnessing cutting-edge AI technology, Strawberry offers a robust solution tailored for crypto investors. Web3 native, Strawberry AI designed specifically for Web3, enabling users to query Web3 crypto and blockchain topics with smart agent integrated for a unique interaction experience. No OmniSwap or pump. That was 9 million. My history, sorry. What you mean? What you mean? So I would love to see this in action. So I'm going to be on the opposite side. I'm not going to buy it, but I am curious to see what this advanced reasoning capabilities, multi-agent reasoning for crypto research, AI AI model here to help me with my crypto buys and sells and meme coins. All right, so here's a little snapshot here. All right, so hold on. Let me rewind a little bit. All right, so Strawberry AI, start chatting with Strawberry AI or type help for all available command suggestions. Paal price predictions. So let's see what he says. Make a full analysis of Paal and tell me its price prediction for next week. It's actually pretty useful if it's accurate or if it's giving me good information. Gathered information, retrieve price, analyze. So this is pretty cool. All right, so it's giving me a breakdown of Paal, price action, prediction for next week. So based on the trends of, let's go up. Based on the trends and market momentum, Paal might continue to hover around 23 to 25 cents range if the current sentiment does not drastically change. A sustained increase past 24 cents might push it closer to 26 plus. I mean, that's kind of obvious. If it goes past 25 cents, it could go to 26 cents plus. So nothing groundbreaking so far. This is accurate, though. Recent sentiment data on Paal shows a gradual decline over the past few days. This is due to there was a proposal for them to merge with FET, Artificial Super Intelligence Alliance. So after this announcement that Paal might merge with FET, the price dumped because of the actual details of the merger. So let's see what it's at actually today. So here is the gigantic drop after the FET announcement, and people were like, this is terrible. I think the conversion was like 10 to 1. So for every 10 Paal, you get 1 FET. So it was really bad. The proposal was very bad, so they denied it. They closed it off. So the price hasn't recovered yet. Might be a buying opportunity. I actually was bullish on Paal all the way back here. Didn't buy it. So I don't know. I don't know if I want to buy it now. I don't know. All right, let's go into some of the stories I have. Bitcoin balance on exchanges just hit an all-time low. So this is where it gets me thinking, like, if exchanges run out of crypto, the price could literally go parabolic because the amount of Bitcoin that is able to be sold is literally diminishing by the day. I mean, ever since January of this year, this entire year, it has been going down. It went up a little bit between June and August, but still, this thing is on it's plummeting. And this is literally setting up for a, like a parabolic price increase. I mean, it's already gone from 60K to 100K almost in a matter of like a few months. Whoops. Let's move that. All right. So it went from 60K to, let's just call it 100K in less than 2 months. So that's where, like, timing the market, not great. Time in the market is good. So if you were in Bitcoin, even last cycle, you're up. You had to wait a few years, but you're up. This is known as the trenches for whenever I say like in the trenches. The trenches are when you're here during the bear market and you're actually buying crypto as it's falling and you have no idea when it's going to reverse. So if you were in the trenches on Solana, you are up drastically because the bear market bottom for Solana was under $10. So if you were in the trenches in Solana, good on you. Good on you for being here in the trenches. And speculating on the potential price action on Solana. I mean, just looking at last cycle, look at this rise. This was 7x in 56 days. Insane rally, and it looks like we want to start it again. So this looks like this. This looks like only half of this. This looks like only half of this over here. Let me get rid of some of this purple on my screen. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. So I feel like Solana is definitely getting up to at least the 1.618 Fibonacci level. That's at 410. if Solana goes parabolic, I think a $900 Solana is definitely on the table, definitely in the cards for a Solana. And currently, we're on the daily, and we are still looking like we want to pump. We are pushing into, what fib number is this? The 1 Fibonacci level. And you could say that it is above it. It is above it. Let's zoom in. All right, so it got rejected off of the 1 Fibonacci level at 257. 13 bear versus a -4 bull. So could see just a little bit of a sell-off for Solana. I don't think it's going to be drastic at all. Maybe it's even going to reverse. So let's go to the hourly. Yeah, I mean, the hourly is already showing a reversal. Looking at market cipher B down here, when we had a momentum wave dip past the zero line. The zero line right here. So once it dips past the zero line, let's see the last, or I'm going to move this back over. So it dipped past the zero line on November 19th. And let's see what that percent downturn is. About 5%. But it pumped out of it about 5%. And then it set up a nice anchor trigger wave. Anchor wave, trigger wave. And if you bought on this, trigger wave and you held, whoops, you could have gotten a 13% gain, almost a 14% gain. So right now we're showing similar patterns. So we could potentially get another red dot after we get up to 258. So maybe doing something like this. And then the chart will look something like this. So kind of repeating this pattern and then having this big momentum wave on market cipher B. But yeah, over the next hour, 47 minutes, bulls are at 16, bears -5. So bears are literally not in control at all on this hourly time frame over the next 47 minutes. All right, let's just skim through the rest of these stories and then we'll call it there. The German government, if they held their Bitcoin, it'd be worth over $4 billion, almost $5 billion. So back on July 17th, they sold about 50 billion Bitcoin, or 50,000 Bitcoin for about 2.89 billion at an average price of $57,000. But yeah, today we're at like 100 grand. So yeah, they lost out at almost $2 billion profit. All right. Bitcoin is currently 1% away from 100K. BlackRock is still buying. You can see their crazy Arkham Intel map right here. Super insane. All right. Magic Eden. If you have bought or sold NFTs on Magic Eden, mark your calendars for the 10th Magic Eden Token Genesis event. So I'll be able to claim my Magic Eden tokens with I think I have like 5,000 diamonds. I'm hoping it's a 1-to-1 conversion because on pre-market, Magic Eden, the token, was getting up to like $3. So that would be really nice. That'd be, a $15,000 payday for Magic Eden. I highly, highly doubt it'll be that high. But a man can dream, can he? All right, so yeah, ADA. ADA is closing in on $1.98 right now. Can we see $1 today? I think so. I mean, it's so, wait, speak of the devil or speak of the savior. It's at $1. Cardano is at $1. Hell yeah. And this gentleman, Plutus Staking, he's going to be honest with us. This price action is not retail. This is what front running an ETF looks like. Enjoy the cycle. I'd say let's look at the Cardano chart. Is the next stop all-time high? Let's see. All right, so we have a few bumps on the road. Let's get rid of this purple. So I'd say the next level is at $1.31, and then I'd say the next level could be at $1.65, and then we get up to the $2 zone, and then once we break all-time high, the next Fibonacci level at the 1.618 brings us to a $4.86 ADA. Cheddar is the best coin on Sol. Check it out. All right, let's check it out. Nomad. Let's see what its percent gain today is. 100% gain. Not bad. Let's actually stay on that. We're going to close that out. Here's their main page if you want to follow Nomad. Could be a potential. Could go up to all-time high again. It's only 100% gain. That would bring us to about a 4 million market cap. I think that's definitely in the cards. Market cap did get up to 4 million. Just about 3.81 million. And if the chat is correct, then we do not have to worry about the bubble map for this token because this is essentially burned. That's what the team is telling me, that this Nomad is burned. But then you do still have this whale wallet, 13.33%. All right, so BlackRock is buying Bitcoin. Magic Eden is coming out with their token on the 10th. ADA price action is not retail. It's more front running an ETF. Says Plotus staking. I tend to agree. Oh, you know what I wanted to show you guys? Alex Becker. I think Alex Becker is a clown. I'm just gonna say that. He's a clown. Let's go to his ADA post. So Alex Becker has shit on Cardano nonstop for like the past 3 years. But it goes up to $1 and now he wants all the credit. Oh, I made a video mentioning it last week. I think he's a clown. So this was my post. Shits on Cardano for years. Proceeds to take credit when it goes up. I hope you're watching, Alex Becker. I think you're a clown. A clown with a lot of money. So good on him. But yeah, he plays into like the Giga Chad, like the alpha of crypto. I mean, I play into the degenerate alpha of crypto, but I'm not like slinging a gun on stream and wearing some crazy glasses and pumping weights. Would you guys like that? I could do that. I could. Let me know. Let me know if you want me to wear a tank top, wear some what are they called? Ooh, $5 super chat with no message. Just a $5 super chat. Appreciate you, Sam. Sam Rifkin. Appreciate that. I'm going to like it. Can I like it? I don't know if I can. I can heart it. My name starts with Ada. I knew it. Says Adam. All right. So this is kind of crazy. Solana holds more Bitcoin liquidity than Ethereum, which is insane. So this is from Solana Floor showing what would happen if you were to swap on 1 inch. So this is on Ethereum mainnet. $10 million of USDC only gives you $9,861,000 of Bitcoin. But if you were to do the same swap on like Jupiter, for example, you get almost what's $70,000 amongst friends. So for the equivalent amount of USDC, you get more Bitcoin than if you were to do it on Ethereum. So see that? It's about 140 grand off. On Jupiter, it's about 70 grand off. So you're saving. You're getting more money out of it. Cheddar baby. All right, so let's look at Cheddar. Cheddar. Cheddar, 2.9 million market cap, 263K liquidity. This is an 8-month-old token, so it's not brand new. So it has had some crazy spikes. So this percent gain, that don't even seem right. 172,000% gain. I'm going to pull it from the bottom of this candle. All right, that seems more reasonable. About an 8x. And then from this valley to this top, about a 5x. And then it crashed 96%. But back in September of this year, until just recently, it's up 3,000%. It has fallen 83%. So let's go to the hourly. Let's go to the hourly and zoom in. I wonder why it's pumping today. Let's see. It's up about 110% over the last 3 hours, 4 hours. Oh, your message is Cheddar. All right. Well, I appreciate the super chat. All right, let's go to their Twitter. All right, 17.6K followers. I would expect that for this token since it's been out for 8 months. Looking to make life. Cheddar looking to make lives better. All right. I like it. I keep on getting this error. Please use a keyframe sequencing of 4 seconds or less. How is the stream looking? Is there any like hitching or anything? Because I keep on getting this YouTube Studio error. Yeah, how's the stream? Is there any like hitching or anything? Lagginess? Otherwise, this error message is just popping up for no reason. Is Cardano now we're talking. Let's get up to $3 in the next day for Cardano. I don't think that's possible, but a man could dream. All right. So yeah, more liquidity on Solana than Ethereum for Bitcoin. Insane. Hey Clippers, any Clippers basketball fans out there? Coinbase is now the official partner of the LA Clippers. Pretty cool. A little hitching on the TV. Ooh, I'm on the wide screen, on the big screen. All right, good to know. Thank you. All right, so Sui, the entire Sui blockchain is partnering with Frank Templeton. What? Frank Templeton Digital Assets has previously invested in the Sui ecosystem, and this new partnership will provide further benefit by seeking value creation opportunities to allow Sui builders to deploy novel technologies on chain. This is insane. I didn't think Frank Templeton could do something like that. They're for U.S. investors only. I like that. On the TV at the gym. All right. Hey, come on, pump those weights over there. What are you doing? All right. I think that's about it for today. I did want to show off this token because it is a sponsored segment, the Bit Nomad. If the team that came into my chat is accurate, then this is burned. This is burned, potentially. 32% of the supply. So yeah, maybe speculate on the price of Bit Nomad here. Their main mission is to protect children. So yeah, it's up 112% over the last day. Could, if it gets back up to all-time high again, that'd be an 89% gain. And it's pretty small. So if this thing catches on, I mean, if it gets up to a million market cap, what is that? A 50x? Just about a 50x. Not bad. Not bad. All right. I appreciate you guys watching. Smash that like button on the way out, and I'll see you guys. Oh, I will not see you guys on Monday again because I'm golfing with Kelly Kellen for the BitLab Academy. So I'll see you guys on Tuesday at 1:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time here on YouTube and on X. Be blessed. Taco out.
Why is everyone